Hi, I'm Melissa. Today's lesson is about using this is. We use this is to talk about things around us and about people too. So let's learn about it. Look around your room. What do you see? Let's look at some things. This is a book. This is an apple. This is Michael. Now, can you guess what we use this is for? We use this is to refer to an object. This is a book. This is an apple. Can you look around your room and find an object? Well done. We also use this is to introduce a person. This is Michael. This is Susan. Can you give me an example? Well done. So, we use this is to refer to an object or a person. Here are some more examples. This is an orange. This is a phone. This is Andy. This is Linda. Have you noticed that we use a and an before singular objects? We use an before words that start with the vowel letters A, E, I, O, or U. Let's go back to the previous examples. An orange. An apple. If the word starts with any other letter, we use a. A phone. A book. Let's move on. Now let's learn how to make a question using this is. If you want to check the name of an object or find out what an object is, you use the question, is this? To make a question, you bring is to the start of the sentence. Is this a book? Let's look at some examples. Is this an apple? Is this Michael? Can you make a question about the object in this picture using is this? That's right. Is this an orange? Well done. Can you make a question about the object in this picture using is this? You're right. Is this a phone? Well done. Can you make a question about the person in this picture using is this? That's right. Is this Michael? Well done. Now listen and repeat. Notice how I say these questions. Is this a book? Is this Michael? Now you could use this is. Today we learnt when we use this is. Making questions with is this. Thank you for watching and see you later.